Getting a flat tire is never convenient, but it becomes even more stressful when you don't have a spare tire. Luckily, there are several effective ways to handle the situation and get back on the road. In this guide, we'll cover step-by-step methods to temporarily fix a flat tire, along with important safety tips and tools to keep in your vehicle. Pull over safely. As soon as you notice the flat tire, reduce your speed and find a safe location to pull over. Choose a level, stable surface away from traffic, turn on hazard lights. Alert other drivers by turning on your hazard lights. Engage the parking brake. This ensures your vehicle remains stationary. Use wheel wedges. Place wedges around the wheels to prevent movement. Inspect the tire. Check for visible punctures, cuts, or embedded objects. Listen for air escaping. Sometimes the hissing sound can help locate the leak. Determine severity. Small punctures are usually repairable, while sidewall damage or large gashes may require a tow. Option 1. Tire Repair Kit. A tire repair kit typically includes plugs, rubber cement, and tools for patching punctures. Here's how to use it. Locate the leak. Find the puncture site using soapy water or visually inspecting. Remove the object. Carefully pull out any nails or debris using pliers. Ream the hole. Insert the reaming tool from the kit to enlarge and clean the puncture. Insert the plug. Apply rubber cement to the plug and insert it using the insertion tool. Trim excess. Cut off any excess plug material flush with the tire surface. Inflate the tire. Use a portable air compressor to reinflate the tire to the recommended pressure. Option 2. Tire sealant, like Fix-A-Flat. Sealants are a quick and temporary fix that can seal small punctures and reinflate your tire simultaneously. First, shake the can to ensure proper mixing of the contents. Then attach the nozzle to your tire's valve stem. After that, release the sealant by following the instructions on the can. Finally, drive for a short distance, around 5 to 10 miles, to allow the sealant to spread evenly inside the tire. Option 3. Call for assistance. If you're unable to repair the tire yourself, consider calling roadside assistance or a mobile tire service. Many insurance providers offer towing or flat tire repair services as part of their coverage. Carry a tire repair kit and sealant. Keep both items in your trunk for emergencies. Check your tire pressure regularly, as underinflated tires are more susceptible to flats. Inspect tires for damage by checking for signs of wear, embedded objects, or cracks. And invest in a portable air compressor. This tool can reinflate a flat tire quickly. Seek professional help if the puncture is located on the tire's sidewall, if the tire is severely damaged or has large tears, or if the wheel itself is damaged. By following these steps, you can safely manage a flat tire without a spare. Remember, these are temporary fixes, so be sure to visit a tire repair shop as soon as possible for a permanent solution. Drive safe.